and welcome to Maths in Minutes. Dear students, in this session we'll solve question number 5, 6 and 7 from exercise 3.2 for class 10th. Let's start with question number 5, which says half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than the width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. Let's solve. Let the length of garden be x meter and the width of the garden be y meter. It is to given that length is 4 meter more than the width. Okay, and we can write this condition as x is equal to y plus 4. Okay, or x minus y is equal to 4, equation number first. Now let's move to the second condition, which is saying perimeter of rectangular field is 2 multiply length plus breadth, which is length is x and breadth is y, which is equal to half of the perimeter 36 meter, means perimeters half. Okay, half of 2 multiply x plus y is equal to 36. 2 cancel by 2, and here x plus y is equal to 36, equation number second. Let's consider equation number first. X minus y is equal to 4, and find coordinates for these equations and plot the coordinates on the graph paper. Okay, and we can write is y is equal to x minus 4 when we'll put value of x and we'll get value of y. Okay, let's obtain coordinates for value of x and y. Here x, we are putting x is equal to 0, then y will be minus 4. We are putting x is equal to 4, so 4 minus 4, y is equal to 0. We are putting x is equal to 2, then y will be minus 2. Let's the graph be coordinates 0 comma minus 4, 4 comma 0 and 2 comma minus 2. Let's plot these coordinates on a graph paper. Here is the graph paper, and let's plot. We have the first coordinate 0 comma minus 4. Okay, 0 on x-axis and minus 4 on y-axis here. Okay, that point will be here, and next point 4 comma 0, 4 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis, and next point is 2 comma minus 2, that will be here. And now let's draw a straight line meeting these all 3 points. Okay, and this will be the straight line for the linear equation, which says x minus y is equal to 4. Now let's consider the second equation, which was x plus y is equal to 36. Here we can write it y is equal to 36 minus x. We'll put value of x and obtain value of y. Okay, let's determine the coordinates for equation number second. Here x and y, we are putting x is equal to 10, then y will be 36 minus 10, 26. We are putting x is equal to 12, then y will be 36 minus 12 is 24. We are putting x is equal to 16, then y will be 36 minus 16, it's 20, and coordinates are 10 comma 26, 12 comma 24 and 16 comma 20. Let's plot these coordinates on the same graph paper earlier we have drawn for the equation number first, and the first coordinate is 10, 26. 10 on y-axis, here between 8 and 12, and 26 on y-axis. Okay, and that point will be lies here. Okay, just show. And the second coordinate is 12, 24. Here 12 and 24 on y-axis, that is here. Okay, and the last one is 16, 20. 16 on x-axis and 20 on y-axis. Now let's draw a straight line meeting all these 3 points, and this will intersect the former line x minus y is equal to 4 here, and this line we have obtained for the equation x plus y is equal to 36. X plus y is equal to 36. And here we can see that the both lines are intersecting each other at 20, 16. Then we can say that value of x is 20 and value of y is 16. Two lines x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 36 are intersecting at 20, 16. Okay, 20, 16. So the value of x we have considered x the length, so the length is 20 meter and the breadth is 16 meter. Okay, now let's move to the question number 6th, part 1 of question number 6, which is saying given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines. Okay, means we have to write an linear equation which is in the form such that intersecting form a pair of intersecting line with 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, the linear equation मीन्स हमें कोई सा भी एक ऐसा इक्वेशन लेना है जिसकी क्या कंडीशन बनती हो a1/a2 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू b1/b2, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि a1/a2 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू b1/b2 की कंडीशन में क्या होता है, इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस बनती है। तो आप कोई सा भी एक इक्वेशन लिख सकते हैं जिसमें फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और सेकेंड इक्वेशन के जो x और y के कोफिशिएंट है वो डिफर होने चाहिए, ठीक है, जिससे कि उनके जो रेशोज हैं वो इक्वल नहीं बने। तो हमने लिया 5x + 7y - 11 इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड we are comparing this equation with the standard form of linear equations which are in the form of, as we have earlier studied. Okay, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and we obtain a1/a2 is equal to 5/2 and b1/b2 is equal to 7/3 and c1/c2 is equal to -11/-8 which implies 11/8. And here we can observe that from above equation that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2। यहाँ आपको क्या करना है कि आप अपनी इच्छा से भी क्या कर सकते हैं, ऐसी कंडीशन लिख सकते हैं जो a1 अपॉन a2 और b1 अपॉन b2 के इक्वल नहीं हो, जिससे कि इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस बन सके। ठीक है, सो दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस। ओके, now let's move to the second part of question number 6, which says given the linear equation, same equation है आपके पास 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another equation। आपको क्या करना है, एक दूसरा इक्वेशन लिखना है with in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is parallel lines। यानी आपको क्या करना है, पैरेलल लाइंस बनाती हो ऐसा एक इक्वेशन लिखना है इस इक्वेशन के साथ कंपेयर करने पर। तो हमें पता है कि a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 बट नॉट इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2 की कंडीशन होती है, तब हमें क्या मिलते हैं, पैरेलल लाइंस मिलते हैं। ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ भी इस क्वेश्चन में भी क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने अकॉर्डिंग कोई सा भी इक्वेशन लिख सकते हैं, बट मैं लिख रहा हूँ आपके लिए। देखिए, द इक्वेशन फॉर पैरेलल लाइंस to the given equation is 2x प्लस 3y माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0। यहाँ से आप देखिए दोनों इक्वेशन में x और y के कोफिशिएंट तो इक्वल है, मीन्स a1 अपॉन a2 इक्वल हो जाएंगे b1 अपॉन b2 के, बट c1 अपॉन c2 जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है 8 और 5 वो इक्वल नहीं होंगे। ओके, तो बाय कंपेयरिंग द पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन विद द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म of linear equations which are in the following ways: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here we get a1 upon a2, a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 8, here a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3, and c2 is equal to minus 5. Now let's find a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 by 2, which is 1, b1 upon b2 is equal to 3 by 3, which is also 1, and c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 8 upon minus 5, which is 8 upon 5. Here we can observe that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, so the equation we have written above is forming a parallel line with the equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So we can say that the equations are forming a pair of parallel lines. And now let's move to the third part of question number 6, which is saying सेम इक्वेशन है हमारे पास 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, and we have to write another equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of pair of so formed is coincident lines. Means क्या कंडीशन होनी चाहिए, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 and which is also equal to c1 upon c2। यहाँ भी हमें क्या करना है, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 के साथ एक पैरेलल इक्वेशन लिखनी है जो कि क्या है, कोइंसिडेंट लाइन फॉर्म करती है। मींस एक्स वाई और जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है वो सभी क्या होने चाहिए, अगर कंपेयर करें तो इक्वल आना चाहिए। मींस a1 अपॉन a2, b1 अपॉन b2 और c1 अपॉन c2 तीनों ही कंडीशंस क्या होनी चाहिए, इक्वल होनी चाहिए, तब ये क्या हो सकती है, कोइंसिडेंट लाइंस फॉर्म होगी। ठीक है, तो हम एक इक्वेशन लेट कर रहे हैं 2x प्लस 3y माइनस 8 के पेयर बनाने के लिए, जो कि है 6x plus 9y minus 24 is equal to 0, and now we are comparing these equation with the standard form of linear equations, which are as follows. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here we get a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 3 and b2 is equal to c1 is equal to -8, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 9 and c2 is equal to -24. Now let us find a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 9, which is also 1 by 3, and c1 upon c2, which is -8 upon -24, which is also 1 by 3. Here we observe that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and also equal to c1 upon c2. So this is the condition of coincident lines, where all these parts a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2 are equal. Okay, so the pair of lines are coincident lines. Now let's move to the question number 7th of this exercise, which is saying draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 and determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and set the triangular region. ओके, यानी हमारे पास जो दो इक्वेशन दी हुई है इनका यूज़ करके हमें क्या करना है, ग्राफ ड्रॉ करनी है और ये एक्स एक्सिस के साथ क्या करते हैं, एक ट्रायंगल बनाते हैं, उसको हमें क्या करना है, शेडेड करना है. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये 2 लाइंस तो हो जाएंगी और एक एक्स एक्सिस 3 लाइंस, ये तीनों मिल करके क्या करेंगी, ट्रायंगल के तीनों साइड्स बनाएंगे, उनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स बताने हैं ट्रायंगल के वर्टेक्सेस के, और उस जो ट्रायंगल मिलेगा हमें उसको शेडेड करके बताना है. ठीक है, तो हमने दोनों इक्वेशंस की नेमिंग कर दी और अब हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को कंसीडर करते हैं x माइनस वाई प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड वी कैन राइट दिस इक्वेशन in such a way that x plus 1 is equal to y or y is equal to x plus 1. Now let's find coordinates for this equation number first. Okay, and next we'll plot coordinates on the graph paper. We'll put the value of x is equal to 0, then we'll get y is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 1. Okay, now we are putting x is equal to 2 and we will get y is equal to 2 plus 1 3. We are putting x is equal to minus 1 and we will get minus 1 plus 1 0, and we have the coordinates 0 comma 1 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 0. Now let's plot these coordinates on the graph paper, and here is the graph. Let's plot. We have the first coordinate 0 comma 1. Okay, and the second one is 2 comma 3 and the third one is minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0. Now let's draw a straight line meeting the all 3 points, which is this one. Okay, and this line is for the equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus y x minus y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's find coordinates for the equation number second. Let's consider equation number second. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0, and we can write this equation in such a way that 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 2l and y is equal to minus 3x plus 2l. 12 minus 3x upon 2, when we'll shift 2 it will be go in divide. Now let's find coordinates for equation number second for value of x and y, and then we'll plot these coordinates on the same graph paper. Okay, we are putting x is equal to 0 and we'll get y is equal to 12. When we have put x is equal to 0, y will be 12 minus 3 multiply 0 upon 2. 12 minus 0 6, sorry 12 upon 2 6. We are putting x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y will be 12 minus 3 upon 2. 12 minus 3 multiply 1, 3 upon 2. 12 minus 3 9, 9 by 2 4.5. Okay, now we are putting x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y will be 12 minus 3 multiply 2 upon 2. 12 minus 6 upon 2 means 6 by 2, which is 3, and we have the coordinates 0, 6, 1, 4.5, and the third one 2, 3. Now let's plot these coordinates on the same graph paper. Okay, first coordinate is 0, 6, which is here, and the second one is 1, 4.5. 1, 4.5 lies between 4 and 5, in the middle of the 4 and 5. Third one is 2, 3, which is here. Now let's draw a straight line meeting these 3 points and intersecting the x-axis also, because we have to form a triangle with the x-axis as it has asked in the equation. Okay, and we have to show the coordinates also, and this line is for the equation 3x plus 2y minus 2l is equal to 0. Okay, and we have the coordinates of this equation. This is the equation, sorry, this is the triangle, and vertices are 2, 3, and this one is minus 1, 0, and this one is 4, 0. Okay, now let's set the triangular region. Here in the blue region is our desired triangle. Okay, if this video is helpful for you, share this video for your class group, and like and subscribe our channel to get the latest notification. So the vertices of the triangle are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, and 4, 0. Thanks for watching.